Assalamu alaikum. Hi, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are doing well. Okay. So, in this video lesson, I'm going to teach you noun phrase. Okay. Grammar. Okay. Today I'm going to teach you grammar. The topic is noun phrase. Okay. So, in your textbook, there are backside there are so many exercises they have given, activity based, grammar also given. So noun phrase, for you noun phrase is very important. Okay, so today we are going to study noun phrase only. So before studying noun phrase, we should know about, you are in 10th standard. I think you know about what is a noun. What is a noun? Noun is a name of a person, place, thing, animal or bird. Okay. So, here we are going to learn what is a noun phrase. Okay. What is a phrase? Before studying a noun phrase, we should know about what is a noun. A noun is a name of a place, thing, animal or bird. So, in a sentence, wherever we find names, we call it as a noun. It might be a animal name, it might be a bird name, it might be a person name. So, in a sentence, names comes means we identify as a noun. Okay. So here, what is a phrase? Okay, noun. We studied noun. What is a phrase? Phrase means a phrase is a group of words that stands together as a single unit. So phrase is not a sentence. Phrase is a group of words. Phrase is a group of one or two words. Okay, group of words that stands together, that gives meaning. Okay, that gives meaning, and in a single unit. Understand? So what is a phrase? A phrase is a group of words that stands together as a single unit. Okay, so in a phrase sentence, you know. Okay, she went to the market yesterday. So it's a sentence. So phrase doesn't have like that long words like that, where only two words only it has phrase. Understand? So now we are going to study what is a noun phrase. We studied what is a noun, what is a phrase. Now we are going to study what is a noun phrase. A noun phrase is a word or group of words containing a noun functioning in a sentence as subject or object. So, noun phrase is also a word or group of words. Okay, containing a noun. Okay, noun phrase, in a noun phrase, in that group of words, it containing the noun. Understand? It containing the noun means it might be a names. Okay, so a word or group of words containing a noun and functioning in a sentence as subject or object. Understand? So noun phrase, in a noun phrase you have two words. Okay, two words or three words only, not a long sentence. In that sentence you have noun. Noun means names. Okay, and then you have subject and object also. Okay, its function in a sentence as subject as a object. So now we have study the definition. Now we are going to see one example so that you will understand that. Okay, so the magnificent old banyan tree was mine. Okay, this sentence we have studied in the adventures in a banyan tree. Okay, so the magnificent old banyan tree was mine. It is a sentence. Now we are going to split that. Okay, now we are going to split the sentence. What is noun phrase? What is verb? Okay, what is verb phrase, like that. Okay, so now here the magnificent old banyan tree. Okay, now in the sentence, article, you know. What is article? What are the words? A and the is the article. A and the. A and the. So here, the is the article. The is the article. And then magnificent. Magnificent means what? It's an adjective. What do you mean by adjective? Adjective, it describes the noun. Adjective, it describes the noun. So here, magnificent old is the adjective. Both are adjective. Understand? So it describes the noun. Banyan tree is the noun. So it describes the noun. So magnificent is the adjective. Old is the adjective. And then banyan tree. Banyan tree is the head noun. It's the main noun. Okay. Banyan tree is the head noun. And then one more thing is let. Was mine. Was mine is the verb phrase. Okay. Verb phrase is also same only. What is that? It contains two words like that. It has verb. Understand? Verb phrase also like noun phrase. But it contains the verb. Understand? Was mine is the verb phrase. So now here. Now, these the article, magnificent is the adjective. Adjective is describing the noun. And then old also adjective. And banyan tree is the head noun. Banyan tree is the head noun. Okay. So, it's a name of a tree. So, we call it as a noun. Noun means wherever the names comes, we call it as a noun. I told you, no. So, banyan tree is the head noun. Was mine is the verb phrase. Understand? So now, the magnificent old banyan tree was mine. Okay, so it's a example for noun phrase sentence. It's example for noun phrase sentence. And then so another example, I'll read out, you can understand that. An old tree was the center of attraction. An old tree was the center of attraction. So an old tree is the center of action. An is the article. And then old is the adjective. And then tree is the head noun. Tree is the name of the tree. Okay. So head noun. And was the center of attraction is the verb phrase. Understand? So I'll write out, then you'll understand that. So here, second example, this is an old tree was the center of attraction. Okay. So here, an is the article. An is the article. and then old is the adjective. Tree is the head noun. Tree is the head noun. Was the center of attraction. These three words we called it as a verb phrase. Understand? So an old tree, this one is, we called it as noun phrase. Understand? So an old tree is the noun phrase, and then was the center of attraction is the verb phrase. So noun phrase, it always has the noun. Okay, it has two words like that only. So if you split the sentence, we can find out article, and then verb, adjective, sometime object also we can find out that. So an old tree was the center of attraction. An is the article, old is the adjective, tree is the head noun, and then was the center of attraction is the verb phrase. Okay. So did you understand? So noun phrase, it has two or three words only. Okay. So it has noun. Okay. And then verb phrase, it has two or three words. It has verb. So in your textbook, you see the examples and all. I will teach you adjective in next class. Okay, adjective, verb phrase in detailed way. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in next class. If you have any doubt, you can ask me through phone. Okay, in live classes also you can ask me doubt. Understand? So until then, take care. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.